This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Christian Sabi. Amazing location so close to the water and beaches. Lovely, spacious home in a very desirable street. Pete neighborhood. 3-bedroom open floor plan with 1740 heated square feet, including a bonus room that can be used as an office, 4th bedroom, or even formal dining. Entire home has been updated so it's move-in ready with solid maple cabinets in kitchen, thick carpet and paint in each bedroom and ceramic tile throughout common areas. 2 full baths have both been updated with new tile, sinks, and toilets. Beautiful stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, including a gas stove. Gas hot water, brand new 2005. New AC compressor installed in 2002 and AC unit has been certified and inspected. Newer double-paned windows rated to 155 miles per hour. Oversized 2-car garage and a plush yard with great privacy on all sides in the back, both fencing and 6-foot hedges. This home is located directly across from the water. Property has a sprinkler system with reclaimed water. For more information,